Pineapple is one of the most delicious fruit you can find in the entire world. And guess what? I'm gonna share a recipe with you that's gonna make your pineapple even more delicious. So let's remove the skin from a pineapple. After removing the skin from the pineapple, you want to cut the pineapple in half and then into wedges. Please ensure that you remove all the eyes from the pineapple, all the dark spots. This pineapple is so juicy and so sweet. After cutting the pineapple in wedges, you want to put your pineapple in a container and then you want to pour some Chardonnay, or you can go ahead and use some white wine. Add some granulated sugar and some cinnamon and combine all these ingredients. Then immediately place it on your barbecue grill. I'm gonna leave it there for 5 minutes on each side so it can be nicely caramelized. Just like so. And this amazing grilled pineapple, you can enjoy it for dessert. And if you're gonna serve this to kids, all you can do is eliminate the Chardonnay, or if you had used the white wine.